Okay, so for next step, we're going to fill the inks into the ink bottles first, and it depends on which colors you ordered from our machine. So today we are going to make a demonstration for the machine with just 4 colors, Y and CK. And here we can put any other colors like you know from our software. But here is Y and CK. And before we do this, we have to take off the rubber. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we take the inks. This is Y. So before we fill inks, we have to take the ink bottle container out, and we will do in this way. Okay, be careful that when you do the ink filling with this tool, you have to keep the end of here to the side of the ink bottles inside, or there will be some pops in the ink bottles. Okay, so we will do in this way. So when you fill inks, we just make it maximum is about 70% for totally full, because we cannot make it totally full because there will be problems, or the pressure will be too big. So after filling inks, you have to put back the rubber and keep small rubber off here. Then this is Y. Then I will fill M. Put back another rubber and keep here off again. Put this rubber back again and leave it here. So this now finished. We have put all the 4 colors into the ink bottles, and make sure, this is very important, that all the levels, all the ink levels should be the same, or there will be some pressure differences in the ink system. So now we put it back. Here we finish. Okay, after we put inks into the ink bottles, we will need to make the manual ink following. Because in the first time we have to make a manual ink following by ourselves from the cartridge. Okay, firstly we have to click ink button. Just one click. The head will move and stop, but you can see that the head is not back to its home position. There's a gap. There's a gap around 3 centimeters to the home position. That means we can move the head manually into the middle of the machine. Okay, now we can take out the cartridge. Be careful here. You see here is a holder for the cartridge into the head part. So we have to pull every one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now it's unlocked. We can take them out. Be careful when you are doing this because it's very dangerous. Okay, so here you can see that there are some the connectors into the head part here. These are the cartridge holders onto the head part, and for each color there is a holder, Y, M, C, K, as you can see from the letters, the colors here. And now we just put it here, and we take the syringe. Just need to take a new syringe to make the sucking for the ink following. Okay, first there will be the Y. Make sure this show with the same size as this part on the syringe. So when you just put into it, just try hardly until you cannot put any more in. So in this way we have the suck. You can see the ink is coming here. You can see the ink is following, is coming here, and then into the cartridge. Just hold it for some time because the ink needs time to come here. Okay, so until you get inks into the syringe, then the cartridge is ready. You can see inks are coming here. Okay, so now this is for the yellow. So now we come to another color. Same thing. Here we have to put the syringe holder into the cartridge holder, and then try as much as you can here, and then suck. You will see ink is also coming here. Okay, so now next the color, the same thing. Another color is also coming out here. Okay, so now you can see the inks are here, Y, M, C, K, and all the lines are full here. So we can put the cartridges back. Careful when you're putting back the cartridges. Okay, so this part is also very important. As you can see, there are some locks, each lock for each color. When you press, you have to try harder until you can hear the click sound, like. Okay, so now the ink is ready. We just move the head back here to its home position, and then we click ink button. Now we are going to suck from the waste ink tank, but firstly we have to find the soft tube around 20 centimeters and also the syringe and connect them first. Okay, until it's tight enough, then we go to the waste ink tank. This is the waste ink tank, and there are two tubes. Firstly, we'll take one here, and then we connect the soft tube here. Okay, then we will suck until there are some inks coming. You can see? Okay, so now it's okay. Be careful when you are doing this because ink might be spread to your body. I mean, pull it back. So okay now for this one. Then we do another way. Well, for this one we will not suck because you know this one is for other four colors, as we just used four colors. So this is for four colors, YMCK, but this one could be for 4W, I mean for white, or it could be for another YMCK. But now here's no ink. If we suck, there's nothing coming. If you want, we can have a try and see. So you can see there's nothing coming. Okay, I will pull it back.